Hello everyone, welcome back to day 22 of the 90-day English speaking course.
Today's lesson, presented by a middle-aged South Asian female instructor, is very important for both working professionals and Johan. What do you do? What are your responsibilities? आज हम इसी का perfect answer सीखेंगे.
Why this skill is important? जब आप अपना जॉब क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन कर पाते हो तो आप प्रोफेशनल लगते हो, कॉन्फिडेंट लगते हो, सीनियर लेवल इंग्लिश स्पीकर लगते हो. कंफ्यूजन, वीक कम्युनिकेशन, ओवर एक्सप्लेनेशन इक्वल्स लो कॉन्फिडेंस. Basic job introduction structure use this 4-step formula. Step 1 Job title. I work as a. I am a. Examples. I work as a software engineer. I am a customer support executive. Step 2 Company field. Optional. I work in the industry. I work for a private company. Example. I work in the IT industry. Step 3 Main responsibilities. Use action verbs. My role involves. I am responsible for. I handle. Examples. I handle customer queries. I am responsible for daily reports. My role involves managing a team. Step 4 Skills value. I work closely with. I ensure. I focus on. Example. I ensure customer satisfaction. Full model answer. Repeat after me. Slow and clear. I work as a customer support executive. I handle customer calls and emails. I am responsible for solving customer issues. I ensure customer satisfaction. Simple, professional, powerful. Different job examples. Office job. I work as an accounts executive. I handle billing and financial records. Teacher. I work as a school teacher. I teach English and help students improve their skills. IT professional. I work as a software developer. I develop and maintain applications. Business owner. I run my own business. I manage operations and clients. Common Indian mistakes. I am doing a job in office. I am working from 5 years. My work is to handle customers. Correct. I work in an office. I have been working for 5 years. I handle customers. Confidence tip, very important. Never say, just a job, small job. Say, I work as. Every job deserves respect. Speaking practice, mandatory. Pause video and speak. I work as a. I am responsible for. I ensure. Speak slowly. Don't translate. Focus on clarity. Interview version, advance. I work as a customer support executive. My role involves handling customer queries and providing solutions. I focus on delivering quality service. Fluency secret. Fluent professionals don't speak more, they speak clear. Short sentences, strong impact. Day 22 summary. Today you learned how to describe your job, how to explain responsibilities, professional vocabulary, interview or office English, confidence building speaking. Tomorrow day 23. Tomorrow's topic is office conversations or workplace English. Very important for real office life. अगर आज का लेसन यूजफुल लगा, लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट करो. I can describe my job confidently. See you tomorrow. Day 23.